This is a reminder to check on your family members when they're sleeping. It looks like my little brother's been sleeping, but he's actually been suffocating the whole night. As you can see, he's breathing from his mouth and snoring, which means his airways have been restricted. Watch how when I place this nose clip in his septum, the snoring stops. This is because these clips have magnetic tips that open up the nasal passage and allow oxygen to flow at a much higher rate. As you can see, immediately after putting it on, his airways are opening again and the snoring stops completely.